Welcome to Recipe A to Z. Today, we will show you how to make chips like packet chips. First, cut the potatoes thinly and slice them, then soak them all in water for a while. Then take it out of the water and put it on a dry towel spread on the table so that the water dries up. When the water dries, leave it somewhere else for 10 minutes. Then put a pot on the stove. Heat the pan with cooking oil. Then put a pot on the stove. Heat the pan with cooking oil. After the oil is hot, leave the potatoes in the oil. Then when it becomes golden color, I will take it down. When the chips are cold, add chili powder, garam masala. Now, we are ready for eating our delicious chips.